Hello everybody, this is Michael Stephen Vargas from WeGoChess.com. So, if you have been watching a lot of chess tournaments, maybe online or even live, well, it is currently the pandemic, so maybe not so much of live, but if you have seen any, then you might have noticed that a lot of spectators have a tendency to cough. And some people don't really understand why this is the case. An explanation for this phenomena is being recommended. So it has become a meme at this point. But I think I have few hunches why this might be the case. So I might be wrong. This is just something that I thought in top of my head. So if you think I am wrong, you could feel free to comment below and educate everybody who will watch this video. The first reason why I think people are much more likely to cough in chess tournaments is because of too much silence. So in chess tournaments, the spectators are actually not allowed to talk, which is reasonable because it will distract the players. But this creates this atmosphere of pure silence. And what happens when humans are actually not allowed to do something? It becomes very tempting to actually do it. So, for example, if I tell you, do not laugh, like it makes you wanna laugh, even though I just said that you shouldn't do it. The silence really is deafening. So subconsciously, when you are in a very quiet place, you are just tempted to actually make some sort of a noise. And for example, if you go to library, even since we cannot actually talk in a library, it is not allowed, similar to a chess tournament, we began to make some kind of noise, right? Just to live in the environment. And since we can talk, a cough is technically not the same as a cough. So it's like a minimal requirement to make a noise. Also, here's the thing. Our minds are just not used in an environment that is so silent. So we live our everyday lives with pretty boisterous background. There's noise everywhere. If you go in the streets, there's noise of the car, people shouting and everything. Even if we in our own home we watch just a YouTube video, there's still noise. It's really rare to see a site where there is no noise at all. And if once someone is introduced to such an environment, they are much more likely to make any noise, and coughing is one of the way to make a noise. Also, since spectators are tempted to actually make a noise but they can't talk, of course, coughing does not necessarily mean talking. So, if they can't talk but they don't want to make a noise, then coughing kind of fills in the criteria without being or without having the spectators being able to be thrown out of the event or being qualified to be thrown out of the event. Next is the highlighting factor. So the highlighting factor is basically if a particular thing is done in an environment where there's also a lot of noise, for example, that noise wouldn't be noticed. So when an environment becomes so silent, maybe the coughing it was just normal, right, for that individual. But since it is so silent, that coughing or that action becomes magnified in this environment. Because I will tell you, some noise that are allegedly heard in a tournament is not necessarily a cough. Some are murmurs, whispers, and all other types of noise, but we kind of just do like encapsulate everything into this one general term, which is coughing. And I think it is because of the highlighting effect, where any noise gets highlighted to the point that and since most people have already seen a lot of tournaments where people cough, then they are much more likely to associate that with any kind of noise. Second reason why I think chess tournaments, chess spectators are much more likely to cough is because of the temperature of the room. So most chess tournaments took place in an air-conditioned environment. And what happens when it's so cold? The throat dries faster. So instinctively, we want our throat to be as damp or wet as possible. We are in an air-conditioned space, for example. our throat are much more likely to dry, and one of the ways to actually make it wet or to dampen it is to make some coughing like noise, right? Like that. Those are one of the ways, but um, some people still consider that a cough, and since that effect, that noise is highlighted, then it it becomes much more of a pattern. Don't get me wrong, not every chess tournaments are air conditioned. However, those that actually being seen by people, which are the privileged tournaments, are really mostly air conditioned rooms. So spectators in these events are much more likely to do the coughing like state just because their throat dries faster due to colder temperature. Third reason is perhaps people are suffering what's called an spontaneous cold, that maybe they've come to the venue without necessarily having a cold, but since the temperature is so cold, they have suffered or been struck by common cold all at the same time. It might be spontaneous. It doesn't necessarily that those people have cold before even entering the tournament. So that might also be a reason that they are just catching a cold and having like coughing on the spot at the moment. Next reason why I think people are much more likely to cough in tournaments is just because of demography. Those who participate or watch chess tournaments are much more likely to be older people, just because they can afford to the venue more, and they are much more likely to be able to travel on their own, because chess tournaments happen in multiple places, and these people are much more likely, for example, to suffer a spontaneous cold, but also to have already somewhat have an ailment beforehand. And I also found it, I don't know about you, but I also find that older people are much more likely to make noise because they, I believe older people just can't take the silence just as more. Maybe it's just me, maybe I'm wrong, but I think the demography plays a role in this. Another reason is it might be a form of entertainment or something that would entertain the spectator who is actually bored. So some of you might not know this, but some spectators who actually engage in chess tournaments are not necessarily players themselves. Although they could be, but not necessarily. Maybe they are just supporting someone as a player. Maybe it's their relative, or they have a friend that they just want to go with, or maybe they're just a photographer, interviewer, and they actually find the games boring. So if you're doubtful about this, like once you are bored too, right, and staring to a wall can be actually entertaining. So maybe for these people who are actually being bored by just watching chess games, maybe coughing provides some sort of entertainment, maybe. And also, it could be that excessive coughing in chess tournaments can be just a myth. So the coughing has been ingrained in chess tournaments that we subconsciously think, again, any noise to be coughing, even if it's not the case. And some people just try to draw patterns. I noticed this without actual cough, and they just any cough, even though it's just, for example, a single cough, they will try to exaggerate it. Maybe it did happen that one tournament has excessive coughing, but maybe it's also the case that people are just exaggerating the state of coughing in tournaments. And that is all of my reasons. I think they are pretty reasonable, at least for me. Maybe there are other reasons out there that I have not discussed yet, because I haven't thought about them. So if you think you may have a reason that I have not discussed here, again, feel free to comment below. But I think that this provides at least a discussion, ideas of why this might be happening. And that is all. If you like this video, give it an actual like, and that is all. Sleep well and play chess.